y'all keep playing with Steven? Why y'all keep playing Steven weak? Like he ain't got no perimeter defense. Why y'all keep testing Steven defense, man? Steven all around. I'm through talking about it. Let's hop right into it. Da-da-da, da-da-da. What happening, YouTube? It's Hush Boy, and you tuned in to Hush Boy Sports. Ever since my boy, our boy, Steven, got his ankles broken, people just been testing this gangster, trying to get him out in space, you know, so they can do it again. But fool me once.
Shame on you. If fool me, we can't get fooled again.
Steven ankles done got stronger. Steven gonna do everything in his power to prevent that from happening again. And that's exactly what the Mavericks was trying to do in the last game. They were trying to isolate Steven, get him out there guarding the point guard, old Dennis Smith Jr. Trying to get him out there on the island guarding Dennis. And had Dennis out there trying to do all that, trying to break Steven down. But Steven said, no, 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 no. But y'all already know I didn't come to yak your ear off. This Hush Boy, baby, you know I got receipts. I can show you better than I can tell you. Let's hop into this footage. Let go.
Trying to extend this to a 2-possession advantage with 3.5.
Bam, you see it right there. They done switched him up, trying to get Steven out there guarding little Dennis Smith Jr. But check out my boy, Steven.
5 minutes remaining in regulation.
No, sir. No, sir. Stop it right there. Dennis couldn't do it. Maybe Harrison can.
Barnes checked by Adams. He'll drive, but lost control of it. It's out of bounds off Harrison.
No, sir. No, sir. Steven ain't going. Clank, clank.
In this overtime right away.
You know that old saying, a hard head make a soft ass?
Steven Adams. Smith will drive. He'll kick.
No, sir. Just stop, Dennis. Just stop. You're not going to get past Steven.
11 rebounds, 6 assists, and a steal.
You see that? You see that? They stopped using Steven's man for that pick. You see that? They went to Melo man.
Smith rocking away, scoring over.
And Melo out there just getting exposed. But all that picking on Steven, trying to get Steven out there, trying to cook him, ain't none of that. Clank, clank. But anyway, man, I'm out of here, man. Hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button for your boy, man. Show me some love. And go ahead and subscribe to me, too. Follow me on Instagram, or you can follow me on Twitter. Tweet your boy. In the meantime, in between time, this is Hush Boy, man, and I'm
drinking Yondaaaa on some throw. Drinking Yondaaaa on some throw.
Yondaaaa.
Drinking Yondaaaa on some throw. Drinking Yondaaaa on some throw. Drinking Yondaaaa on some throw. Oh, they got west the commode. Drinking Yondaaaa on some throw. Drinking Yondaaaa on some throw. Drinking Yondaaaa on some throw. Oh, they got west the commode.
No, sir. Clank, clank.